everyone, it's me again, Kristen with the Museum of Arts and Sciences. Welcome back to the MOAS Summer Baking Series. We only have a couple of bakes left, if you can believe it, but we are going to be preparing for our Shark Week bake, and we're going to be making Shark Attack Cupcakes. So if you'd like to bake along with us on August 9th, these are the ingredients that you're going to need to make your Shark Attack Cupcakes. You're going to need 1 box of cake mix, either yellow or white. I will be using a white cake mix. You'll need 3 eggs, 1 cup of water, a half a cup of vegetable oil. Don't forget your cupcake liners. You'll need strawberry jelly, 1 or 2 12-ounce tubs of white icing. I am using 2 just because I would hate to run out. You're gonna need black food coloring as well as blue food coloring. Then you'll need the white baking chips to melt. You'll need parchment paper, 1 piping bag. If you don't have a piping bag, just a Ziploc bag will be fine. And then I'm gonna be using almond extract in my cake and icing just because I love almond cake. And since I'm gonna be making cupcakes or cake, I might as well make the flavor I like the most. So feel free to use whatever flavors you like, but just make sure that your icing is a light color, since we're going to be using the blue food coloring for that, and make sure you get the white baking chips to melt because we're going to be dyeing those with the black food coloring. We are going to be putting the filling inside of the cupcake, so if you choose a chocolate cake, it might be harder to see that color contrast. If you're not worried about that, then have chocolate cupcakes to your heart's desire. But I will be using a white cake and a white icing for this recipe. So I look forward to seeing you guys on August 9th as we kick off another awesome Shark Week and we make these delicious Shark Attack Cupcakes. See you then.